Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Eclipse IDE on Windows operating system. First, let's open any browser and just type Eclipse download and choose the first link, Eclipse downloads, and scroll down and you can see download 64-bit here. Click on that and it automatically identifies your operating system, and you can see here you'll automatically get the compatible installer here. In our case, we got the .exe for Windows 64-bit. You can click on this file or download, or optionally you can select this another mirror link, and you can see a number of other links here. So you can choose the you can choose the region nearest to you and click on it so that your download will be faster. I'll just click on this download and you can see the file started being downloaded. So I'll just cancel this as I already have this file downloaded on my machine. In your case, you will not do this. You will allow the file to complete. You will allow the file to download completely. Once the file is downloaded completely, you will go to your download section and you will find the Eclipse setup file here. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. And you can see the setup has launched this window. So it is starting the installation. And you get some options here. We'll select the first one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And here you can choose where you want your Eclipse to be installed. So I'll leave it to the default one. And you can optionally select this create start menu entry. So if you want Eclipse icon to display on the start menu, you can check this. And if you want the desktop shortcut also, you can select this. It comes by default selection. If you don't want it, you can uncheck this and then just click on install. You will get a prompt to accept the agreement. Just click on accept now. And this installation might take few minutes. We need to wait. And one prerequisite here is you need to have Java installed prior to this Eclipse installation. And if you already have Java installed, it will also show you the Java path here. So it says this is the Java path, you can see here clearly. So the prerequisite for installing Eclipse is to have Java installed on your machine. And you might get accept unsigned content before the software. Yeah, just say accept. And you can see installation completed successfully. This might take around 5 to 10 minutes. Just allow the installation to be completed. And once it is completed, you can see here launch button. So you can click on launch button. So Eclipse IDE got installed successfully and it is getting launched now. And you can see the workspace to be chosen. So you need to choose workspace. Workspace is where you want, we create projects in Eclipse, and these projects are gonna store in this location. That is what we call it as Eclipse workspace. And you can have all the projects in one workspace. And if you want to have all the projects in only one workspace, you can select this, or else you can just leave this as is and just click on launch. And you can see the Eclipse IDE has been launched now. This is the welcome screen. Here you can see a checkbox, always show welcome at startup. So if you select this checkbox, this welcome screen will be shown every time you launch Eclipse. You can just uncheck this if you don't want to see this at startup every time. And then you can actually go through this demos, the sample ones if you want, or else you can just close this welcome screen. And then you can see here, this is how the Eclipse ID looks like. And this is how we can download and install Eclipse on Windows. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.